Hello children, good morning. Hope you are safe and staying healthy at home children. Today we are going to see about science class. Open your textbooks, lesson number 5, our body. So as we have finished the reading part 1, we have seen in reading part 1 how many organ system, 3 organ systems, skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system finished. Today we are going to see about respiratory system. So from respiratory system, we need to read it. Okay. So what is meant by respiratory system? We breathe in air to live. Yes, we take air to live. We take in air through our nose. So air then travels down the windpipe into the lungs. So it will travel down to the windpipe into the lungs. After the air reaches the lungs, we need to breathe out. We need to breathe out. Nose, windpipe, and lungs together form the respiratory system. Now it is clear for you. So which will form the respiratory system? Nose, lungs, windpipe together form the respiratory system. Now 215 page number. So the air we take in has oxygen and is known as inhaled air. What we take, oxygen will take. So that is called inhaled air. The air we breathe out, it is rich in carbon dioxide and is known as exhaled air. So the air we breathe out is rich in carbon dioxide and is known as exhaled air. So process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is called breathing. So see here, inhale air. So breathe in oxygen. Exhale air, breathe out carbon dioxide through the help of the lungs. Or saying these are the lungs. Okay, through the nose, air we take, it will go to the windpipe. This is the windpipe. Okay, so from windpipe, it will go to the lungs. It will go to the lungs. So this is about respiratory system. Next, nervous system. So we'll do this activity through the help of the balloon. I will show you. After entire lesson complete reading part and notes, we'll do this activity on Saturday. Okay. Next, nervous system. When you touch something hot, you immediately what you will say, take your hand away, isn't it? So do not know what tells you to take your hand away from the hot object. So it is the nervous system. It is the nervous system. So nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord, and large number of nerves. Large number of nerves that covers all parts of our body. Nerves take information from different parts of the body and send it to the brain. Brain then signals the nerves back on what the organs should do. All the nerves in our body are connected to the brain through the spinal cord. Are you saying these nerves are connected to the brain with the help of the spinal cord? So nerves will take information from different parts of the body and send it to brain. This is about nervous system. Next on the page 216, all our actions such as hearing, seeing, reading, walking, thinking, and so on are controlled by our nervous system. So our all actions like hearing, seeing, reading, walking, these are controlled by our nervous system. Next, circulatory system. See the circulatory system. You keep your hand towards the left side of our body. Sorry, towards left side of our chest. Do you feel your heartbeat? Yes, all our body organs need oxygen-rich blood to function properly. So heart pumps blood to different organs of the body through tiny tubes called blood vessels. So see here, the heart pumps blood to different organs of the body through tiny tubes. These are called blood vessels. Which contain blood. So these blood vessels carry blood which is rich in nutrients obtained from the food we eat and oxygen that we breathe in. So blood vessels what they carry blood. Which is rich in nutrients obtained from the food we eat. That's why we need to take food, healthy food, and oxygen that we breathe in. The blood vessels also bring the blood back to the heart. Blood vessels also bring the blood back to the heart. The blood takes away waste products from different organs and takes them to the excretory system so that our body gets rid of them. Rest of the heart, blood, and blood vessels together form circulatory system. So heart, blood vessels. These together form the which system? Circulatory system. So in circulatory system, what it will do? It will pump the blood. Heart pumps blood to different organs of the body through tiny tubes called blood vessels. These blood vessels will carry blood which is rich in nutrients. And these blood vessels also bring the blood back to the heart. So and takes away waste products from different organs and takes them to the excretory system. So this is about circulatory system. Next, excretory system. So our body generates different types of waste. This waste needs to be thrown out of our body as it creates toxins, means poisonous substances. So the waste is thrown out in the form of urine, sweat, and carbon dioxide. So we'll take food that will should be gone out in the waste form like urine, sweat, and carbon dioxide. So this is done by the excretory system. We have how many kidneys? Two kidneys. Are you seeing here? Two kidneys. They clean the blood and make urine. The ureters carry the urine from the kidneys to the bladder. So ureters carry the urine from the kidneys to the bladder. So this urine is stored in the urinary bladder before being passed out. The sweat is removed through the skin, while lungs remove carbon dioxide from our body. During summers, during summers we need to take lot of water from our body gets lost in form of sweat. So therefore we should drink plenty of water. We should drink plenty of water. How many kidneys we have? Two kidneys. So what they will do? They clean the blood and makes the urine. So ureters carry the urine from the kidneys to the bladder. So urine is stored where urinary bladder before being passed out. So this is about excretory system. It will generates different types of waste, and that waste will be thrown out of our body. Because if it will be there, it will create poisonous substances. How it will be thrown in the form of urine, sweat, and carbon dioxide. This is about excretory system. Are you seeing the picture of urinary system? So this is also important later and further classes for you. Next, reproductive system. Reproductive system helps in producing babies. We studied about reproduction. What is meant by reproduction? Reproducing. So producing babies. Reproduction is the process of producing babies from parents. All living organisms die one day, and if they do not reproduce, there would be no more of their kind left on earth. This can result in extinction of that organism. So this is about reproductive system. So hope you have understood all type of organ systems, clear about the lesson of our body. Okay, children, thank you.